fell. Holy, this is gonna be a mess to clean up. All the ice on these trees. I could hear it cracking. I knew it was gonna come down. This tree. Solid ice. Go! The boys are living their best life. Lots of branches down here as well. Quite fun to walk on, actually. It's not super slippery. There's some grip to it, so first time all winter we've been able to just walk around the hayfields without sinking in the snow. This part looks pretty cool. All the trees are bent in the same direction. Seem to be okay though. This fence looks so low for how high the snow is. Makes you nervous. Hi, Peaches. Hi, Allie Mae.
Hi, Allie Mae.
Guys are doing okay. They seem happy.